Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to learn a dimensional method known as aligned. Alright, so in the aligned dimensional methods, dimensions are placed so that horizontal dimensions can be read from the bottom of the drawing sheet and the vertical dimensions can be read from the right side of the drawing sheet. This method is commonly used in architectural and structural drafting. So basically you can see how some are horizontal here and some are kind of vertical here on the right side. Alright, so that's the aligned method. Alright, and we're also going to use something called datum dimensioning. So datum dimensioning arrives from a single point of origin, okay, and this is called a datum. Okay, it reduces dimensional deviations in manufactured parts because each size, location, dimension is referenced to a single point. So it's just a good way to kind of keep track of our dimensions here. So if you look here, each point, each dimension here comes from a single point, this bottom left hand corner. So the dimensions originate from a common point of the part here. All right. So by the end of the video, you should hopefully have something that looks like what we have here, a multi-view drawing with the following dimensions. So let's go ahead and start. Let's come over here and do a new ANSI.idw and let's create. All right, and we want to come over here to our sheet, right click, and we want to edit that sheet because we want to make a size A here. Okay, and hit OK. All right, so let's come on over here to base. We're going to go ahead and make sure your hidden lines are selected. All right, and we're going to click here. Let's go to our top view, our isometric view, and our side view. Okay, right click, and we want to select create. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our front view. We're going to dimension that first. So let's go to annotate, and then dimension. And we're going to, remember, we're going to start with datum dimension. We're going to start with this bottom left hand corner point. So we're going to click here, click there, and drag our mouse up, and let's get 0.5 inches. Hit OK. Okay, now we're going to, once again, stick with this corner point here. All right, and click there, and we want 1.75 inches. Hit OK. Now, same point. Okay, 0.5 inches here. Hit OK. And then this corner and this corner point to give us 1.25 inches here. Hit OK. All right, so you never want to dimension to hidden lines. Okay, good rule of thumb. And you can see this hidden line is right here. So let's come on over here and dimension to that. So start with that same bottom left corner point, click here, and we're going to click here and 1 inch. Hit OK. Now let's, that corner point again, we're going to do this side, 0.5, and then 0.75. Hit OK. All right, so now let's come over to our side view. All right, once again, we're using this corner point, all right, to apply datum dimensioning here. So let's click here, and then we're going to click here, okay, and give us 1 inch. Hit OK. Now that dimension represents this hidden line, so we don't want to dimension to hidden lines, so we're going to do it over here. All right, now, all right, that corner to that corner will give us 0.25 inches. Hit OK. And then from this corner to this corner will give us 1 inch. Hit OK. And then finally this corner to our adjacent corner here gives us 1.25 inches. And then hit OK. Now you notice all of our dimensions are horizontal here. Okay, so all of our dimensions are horizontal. We have to apply the aligned method. So we want to make these ones on the right side, we want to make them vertical. Okay, so what you're going to do then is hit escape, get out of dimension mode, and then right click, and we're going to do edit dimension style. And we're going to come over here to text, and we're right over here where it says vertical dimension. Okay, we're going to kind of make it so we're going to select this middle one here, inline vertical, and then just hit done, and it's going to say save edits, yes. And then there you go. It just made that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, okay, the way you need them. Okay, so that's 7.1. Should look something like this. Maybe slightly different if you place your dimensions in other locations, but um, that should do it. Thanks for watching.